How do I make money at Upwork as a beginner? And we are starting right now. Say hello to my camera. This is the video channel about the freelancing. I would say that it's really important, and sometimes it's really hard to get your audience, you know? For me, as non-native speaker, doing freelancing in English, you know, it's really a struggle. I was trying to post different posts on different forums, blogs, whatever, nothing worked. The only resource for me is quora.com. There I can see that people are asking me questions, what to do, how to behave, and I can see that there, I can feel myself among people who are doing the same thing, you know? I can see that they're doing freelancing, they do development, some of them are experienced, some of them quickly jump to my YouTube channel and subscribe and drop me messages, and we start talking about things, how to do, like how to solve different cases and stuff like that. And the main reason for performing this video shoot, guys, is to answer this question: how to start working and how to start making money at Upwork as a beginner. You just start, you know. This is I would say this question is important because a lot of people are interested how to start. It's pretty simple. This is the same way how to start riding a bicycle, you know, or to start swimming. So you just need to get a bicycle and go for a ride. Your start is going to be hard. Nothing is going to hire you, because as you might have noticed that, you know, there are thousands of different developers, whatever, there at Upwork, experienced, top rated, with portfolio, worked hours, and many more. And their